thumbnail.
Okay, hi. Where are we going?
We're going to Pangasinan.
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 Hey, I'm on vacation.
Start my weekend out right. Gonna live it up in my downtown. I got a new book and its words would look just right. This is sunlight. Work on my sunburn all day. A crow in my hand and I don't need any plans to have the time that I'm looking for. Saturdays or what?
I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings. Some just want everything. Everything means nothing. Wala mo mas mataas. Patak nga. Pap-pap-para. Pap-pap-para. Pap-pap-sarap. 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 Bring the beat in. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one I can always call. When I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Para mag-ano, the way session. Yan ba yung rap? Sabi mo na yung kapit mo, kaya ka dapat na.
We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing with football in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band.
Friends, we are here today to experience time check. It's 9:40. I'm fucking hungry.
I got my buddies in the beach with sunglass eyes. Nobody knows why we'd be anywhere else. So when it's hotter than hell, we got stories to tell all summer long. With some good songs to sing along. This breeze is too nice to ignore. Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing with football in the sand while we listening to our favorite band. We just might get around in before sundown. Faint chains in the background. Stevie C's got Ace now. Huey Lewis is the only kind of news I wanna hear. It's just to sit right down how to sell some Mexican beer.